Hey everybody, it's Jonathan with EXP and out in Windsor Woods in Virginia Beach looking at a house. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's about 2150 square feet. And we're gonna take a tour. This one's gonna be interesting. All right, let's start the tour. This is the second front door, which is probably a converted garage. Interesting light fixture starting from the get-go. As you enter, this is one of 3 family rooms, living rooms, dens, whatever you want to call it. Come in here, nice tile floor. Couldn't figure out how to turn these lights on. You swing automatically to the right. It's the beginning of the kitchen. First closet. Coming on around. Little key feature. All right, but we're gonna head all the way back this way. This is the second living room. Interesting features around the lights. There's 6 pod lights in here, plus the center fan, and they all have the same treatment going around it. It's an older home, 1970s. Windows are probably 20 years old. All right, so that goes to the back door. Out onto an amazingly giant deck. We'll get to that in a few minutes. All right, we're back into the kitchen area. We're gonna start that way after going from the back door to this. Galley kitchen. Not bad. We're gonna go into the dining room. From there you can go into the first bedroom, which is here on your left, which has a full bath. Unfortunately, it's just shower only. It has his and her closets, and then it has this. Left side, right side, and yes, that's the back door where the deck is. And from here, we're gonna go into this gigantic washroom. This could be a washroom, it could be a crafts room, hobbies. It's huge. Come back out. Go through the master bedroom closet. Speed up, speed up. All right, back into the hallway where we entered. Utility closet, full bath, one of the bedrooms, tiny. Like that other house we did, no overhead lights or fixtures. Another family room. Take this, swing around. There's the original front door. There's the dining room, and there's the kitchen. Come back through here again into the last bedroom. This one does have a little fixture and a big closet. All right, back again. We time warp to the back deck. This is nice. So looking around this, you come up, used to be an in-ground pool here. You can actually see where it was in the grass. And this is a very, very, very sturdy deck. It's a 1-car garage back here, but there's no real access from the road. Little shed, conveys as is. Can't get in, it's locked. Big yard, lots of stuff you can do back here. So you could get a car through here if you wanted. Hope you liked the walkthrough of this house. It was interesting. See how houses changed over the last 50 years and how people have adapted them to their modern needs. It's pretty cool. Not a bad house, it needs some help, but you can do a lot with it. It can be very, very nice. Well, I'll catch y'all later. Bye. If you like today's content of this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see other videos that I've made, please subscribe. Have a good day.